Where am I, and what am I doing here in the forest? Wait a second, that's the bird singing. Okay, let's go home. There it is, it's my house. Now let's see to see it.
Okay guys, time to surprise ATV Audiovisual in the house. Oh, here he comes now. Everyone hide.
Where is everyone? Why Showcase Video, Riley Hug, Locksmith and 707, Esselison and PlayStation and 404 are hiding under the plant, lampshade and curtain. That's it. Time to turn on the lights.
Surprise!
ATV, what happened?
I had a nightmare about Showcase Video, Riley Hug, Locksmith and 707, Esselison and PlayStation and 404 surprising me while I came in the house. AANNNNDUHH.
Don't worry, it was all just a terrible nightmare.
Really?
Yep.
I am glad that did not happen.